number 69 tow truck right here. That was like really good. Okay, now we've got your like Lightning McQueen style over here. Look at the goggles and everything. The number 95 with the lightning bolt. Let's go down here. Okay, all the way here from Japan, the number 17 Subaru. All right, we come down here to the end. It looks like he's advertising just in case you need a new home. The number 25 right here at the end, Honda Civic. So far, I've got them very clear in my head as to who's going and who's staying so far. So keep cheering if you got your favorites. 2 more to go. We're going to start right at the front with the number 8 over here. Okay, we're going to look at the number 73 right here, the white green car. You're going to leave the ring. If I don't point at you, stay. Because I was listening very, very closely. Now, if you guys think I made a huge mistake, you have one more chance to go nuts. However, number 17. If I point at you, you got to go. Because everybody was louder for the other guy. We got to divide it for good for them to half the crowd.
Yes.
Number 73, number 8, you're gone.